This 2021 Forest River R-Pod RP 193 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 5, TV, LP detector, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, slide-out, water heater, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River R-Pod RP 193 is 3,654 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.